In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch a profitable membership on Kajabi. First, let's get started by navigating to your web browser and typing in kajabi.com. This is your first step toward creating a successful membership. Once you have the homepage open, you'll notice a login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to log in using your email or Google account. Enter your credentials and you'll gain access to your Kajabi dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now, to make your membership truly stand out, it's crucial to offer high value, unique content that your audience can't find anywhere else. Think about including elements like in-depth analyses, expert interviews, or niche insights that specifically appeal to your target members. By doing this, you create a compelling reason for individuals to pay for access, positioning your membership as an invaluable resource. Next, let's talk about income. To ensure your business is sustainable and profitable, establish a subscription-based model. This approach allows for a more predictable income stream, helping you plan better for the future. You might also want to consider offering different pricing tiers, such as monthly and yearly options. This flexibility can cater to various member preferences, accommodating both those who prefer to pay regularly and those who might want to commit to a longer-term plan up front. Setting your membership pricing strategically is another key ingredient in your success. Make sure your pricing reflects the value you provide while remaining attractive to potential members. You might also think about adding upsells. These are additional products or services offered to your members that can enhance their experience and simultaneously maximize your revenue. Engagement is the lifeblood of your membership community. Keep your members engaged through regular communication, exclusive content, and interactive events like webinars or Q&A sessions. The more interaction and value you provide, the more likely members will remain loyal and invite others to join. Finally, tracking your performance and analyzing analytics is crucial. Regularly check your metrics to understand what's working and what might need adjusting. Insights from analytics can guide your content strategy, marketing efforts, and help you make informed decisions about growing your business. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to launching a profitable membership on Kajabi. Remember, the key is consistency and offering something of true value to your members. Thank you for watching, and we hope these steps help you in creating a successful membership platform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Until next time, take care and happy building.